Today is Monday. Higher temperature is 34 degrees. The lower temperature is 28 degrees. Let's pass to Pooh to tell us the weather of today. Okay, let's go. Sunny. I like it. Today is the best time to go to the beach. Okay. Tomorrow the weather forecast higher temperature will be 30 degrees. The lower temperature will be 24 degrees. It will be cloudy and windy. It is the best time to go to fly a kite. After Wednesday until Friday, the higher temperature will be 31 degrees. The lower temperature will be 26 degrees. It will be windy and stormy. So, go out, remember to take umbrella. Saturday. Higher temperature will be 34 degrees. The lower temperature will be 28 degrees. It will be sunny and hot again. It is the best time to go to swim. Sunday. The higher temperature will be 35 degrees. The lower temperature will be 29 degrees. It will be sunny but very hot. It is the best time to go to swim. But remember to apply sun oil. Thank you for watching. I am Isaac from Pooh Pooh Channel. Have a nice week. Bye bye.